Claimants are required to complete 2 weekly job searches in their SCWOS online services or SCWOS account in order to remain eligible for unemployment insurance benefits in South Carolina. Claimants simply need to log into their SCWOS account, search for a position or industry they are qualified for, and select the job opening they're interested in learning more about. By opening a new screen with full job details listed, this will now count as one work search. You'll need to do this process at least one other time to satisfy the weekly requirement. To verify that your 2 job searches have been counted, go to the menu in the top left of your screen and select My Portfolio under the section Quick Menu. Select My Individual Profile and finally click Search History Profile. All of your completed work searches will be listed here. If you do not see the job you viewed listed, your search was not counted and you need to review the previous instructions and try again. The My Benefits portal and the SCWOS system will communicate once a night. So while your job searches may not link immediately to your My Benefits portal, check back the next business day to confirm the work search has been updated. Remember, it is ultimately your responsibility as the claimant to ensure you complete your weekly certification of your claim and the 2 weekly job searches. Per state regulation, failure to complete these requirements could affect your eligibility for benefits. For additional help or questions, visit the Find a Job page on do.sc.gov or contact your local SCWOS Center. There are 49 SCWOS centers statewide. Find the closest location to you by visiting scworks.org.